Introducing a range of drones from BML. Modern quadrocopters with advanced features only found in high-end models. Captures video up to a resolution of 1080p and easy to pilot, even for beginners. Robust and lightweight, ensuring great handling and increased flight time. Modular design allows for simple and fast connection of external modules. After connecting the obstacle detection sensor, the drone recognizes any approaching objects and changes direction to avoid collision. Remote-controlled camera with SD card recording can be replaced by an image transmission module. Use Wi-Fi to pair it with your smartphone, which you can then insert into the remote control. Now you can see where you are flying on the display. The one-button launch function allows for easy piloting even for complete beginners. There is also an automatic hold mode to maintain flight altitude plus 6-axis stabilization. Land the drone by pressing the same button used for launch. Change direction of the drone to its starting position at the push of a button. The drone can also do a 360-degree flip. A useful feature, especially for novice pilots, is headless mode, which means you don't have to figure out the forward direction of the drone in flight. Another added benefit is the availability of spare parts and their simple replacement. Thanks to the modular design, everybody can replace them instantly, so that you can spend much more time flying.